how to find verified business owner contacts with DataCaptive. Finding the right business owners for your sales and marketing campaigns can be challenging. Many teams spend hours searching for decision makers only to end up with incomplete information, outdated contacts, or prospect lists that don't match their target audience. What if you could build a targeted business owner contact list in minutes instead of months? In this video, we'll show you how businesses use DataCaptive to identify verified business owner contacts, segment prospects, and prepare outreach-ready lists for B2B lead generation campaigns. Let's get started. The challenge with business owner prospecting. When targeting business owners, most sales and marketing teams face common challenges: finding the right decision makers, accessing accurate contact information, filtering prospects by industry and company size, managing outdated or incomplete records, spending too much time on manual research. These challenges can slow down prospecting efforts and impact campaign performance. To improve outreach results, businesses need access to targeted and reliable contact data. That's where DataCaptive helps. Introducing DataCaptive's Business Owner Database. DataCaptive helps businesses connect with key decision makers through targeted B2B contact data solutions. Using DataCaptive, you can build business owner prospect lists based on industry, company size, revenue range, geographic location, job title, business category. Whether you're targeting small business owners, founders, presidents, CEOs, or managing directors, DataCaptive enables you to create highly specific audience segments. Instead of manually searching for contacts one by one, you can quickly access the business information needed to support your lead generation goals. How to build a targeted business owner list. Using DataCaptive, Step 1. Define your target audience. Start by identifying your ideal customer profile. For example, let's say you're targeting manufacturing companies located in the United States, between 50 and 500 employees, business owners, and founders. Having clear targeting criteria helps you focus on the most relevant prospects. Step 2. Tell us who you want to reach. After identifying your target audience, the next step is simple. Tell DataCaptive who you're looking to connect with. Whether you're targeting business owners in manufacturing, founders of technology companies, or decision makers in healthcare organizations, our team works with your specific requirements to build a customized contact list. Instead of spending time searching for prospects, you receive business owner data tailored to your campaign objectives, helping you reach the right audience more efficiently. Step 3. Data validation and quality assurance. Once your requirements are finalized, our data specialists begin building your custom contact list. Every record undergoes multiple quality checks, including data validation, verification, and compliance review to help ensure accuracy, relevance, and reliability. Our team works to deliver business contact data that aligns with your targeting criteria while maintaining high data quality standards. Step 4. Secure data delivery. After completing the quality assurance process, your customized data file is securely delivered in your preferred format. Whether you're planning email campaigns, sales outreach, account-based marketing, or market research, the data is organized according to your business requirements for easy integration into your existing workflows. With your targeted database ready, your team can launch campaigns faster and focus on engaging qualified prospects. Why data quality matters. Successful outreach begins with quality data. Accurate business owner information can help organizations improve campaign efficiency, reduce time spent on prospect research, increase sales productivity, reach the right audience more effectively. Data quality is one of the most important factors influencing prospecting success. That's why businesses prioritize trusted data providers when building their target audience lists. Turn contact data into sales opportunities. Once you've built your business owner contact list, the next step is outreach. Your team can use the data to support lead generation campaigns, build targeted prospecting programs, segment audiences for marketing initiatives, identify decision makers for sales conversations, With the right audience and a clear outreach strategy, businesses can create more opportunities for meaningful engagement. Finding verified business owner contacts doesn't have to be a time-consuming process. With DataCaptive, businesses can access targeted business owner data, connect with key decision makers, and support their lead generation and outreach efforts more effectively. Whether you're looking to reach business owners, founders, presidents, or other executive-level contacts, DataCaptive can help you build customized prospect lists tailored to your business goals. To learn more about DataCaptive's business contact database solutions, get in touch with our team today. Phone +1 88884 03334. Email reach@datacaptive.com. Website www.datacaptive.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow DataCaptive for more B2B data, lead generation, and sales prospecting insights.